Good morning, Hurricanes! My name is Jerlina Datan.
And my name is Layla May Nartatez.
And we're your senior class secretaries.
Today is September 16, 2024, a B day, so periods 5 through 8.
College and Career Center events. We're thrilled to announce some upcoming college and career events to help students prepare and explore their future options. There will be a field trip to the college fair on Friday, October 4th, the ASVAB on Saturday, October 19th, and the PSAT practice test for the SAT on Saturday, October 26th. If you want to sign up for these events, visit the College and Career Center's website or stop by the library.
Boys and girls swimming. Do you like to swim?
Huh?
Are you a mermaid?
Huh?
Well, preseason conditioning will be held for boys and girls on Mondays and Wednesdays, beginning today, September 16, at Kapolei Recreational Center from 4 to 6 p.m. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Hogget and I-206.
Boys basketball. Are you a baller on the court? Conditioning will start on Monday, October 14th at 5 in the gym. You must need a completed physical concussion form and participation form. Boys basketball tryouts will be from Monday, November 11th through the 13th. JV check-in is at 4 p.m. and varsity check-in is at 5:30 p.m. If you have any questions, please see Coach Keith in G203.
Athletic Pass. Speaking of passes, support our athletic team by purchasing a student athletic pass for $25. You can watch home and away games for sports like football,
Volleyball, basketball, soccer, wrestling, and judo.
Scan this QR code to get your ticket today.
Hip hop.
Do you like to pop it and lock it?
Of course I do.
Well, join the Hip Hop Dance Club. They will be practicing in the CAP every Monday and Wednesday from 3 p.m. until 4:30 p.m. And no experience is necessary.
Fellowship for Christian Students. Are you looking for some positivity in your life? Well, the Fellowship for Christian Students may have the solution for you. On Mondays, go to G101 during lunch to bring positivity to each other in a kind and caring environment.
Good morning, Hurricanes, and welcome to your weekly dose of DECA. My name is Faiza, and I'm the president. Our topic for today is public speaking. Being a strong public speaker helps you communicate better with others, whether you're presenting in class, leading a team, or at a job interview. Some key aspects of strong public speaking include engagement, body language, and making sure to maintain eye contact with your audience. Here's a few tips to help you improve your public speaking skills. Practice regularly to build confidence. Keep your posture strong and use hand signals to emphasize key points. And always remember to stay calm because your audience wants you to succeed. That's all for your weekly dose of DECA, Hurricanes. I hope you all have a great week.
And that's all for your Hurricane Watch News. I'm Jerlina Datan.
And I'm Layla May Nartatez.
Signing off. Peace out, skibbities.